Mnemonic for risk factors of aortic dissection is A, B, C. A include aortic aneurysm, atherosclerosis, aging. B for blood pressure, high or hypertensive. B for baby or pregnancy. C for connective tissue disorders, cystic medial necrosis. So I repeat, the mnemonic for risk factors of aortic dissection is A, B, C. A for aortic aneurysm, atherosclerosis, and aging. B for blood pressure, that is high blood pressure. B for baby, that is pregnancy. And C for connective tissue disorders, and C, cystic medial necrosis. So mnemonic is A, B, C for risk factors of aortic dissection. Thank you.